Hey followers, I'm going to walk you through what a power drive upgrade would look like. This is the inside of a power drive V1. I believe these were made up to about 2007. Now if you're told that you can't fix or upgrade these machines, whoever told you that, they're full of it. Motor's a motor in the bottom basically, but all the guts of the motor of the power drive are actually upgradable. So in the head, this is your autopilot here. So little button over here, if you hit your autopilot, there's your mechanical compass. This is what keeps you on track. Now if your older power drive has a mind of its own and you turn the compass on and starts going left and right, most likely this board is bad. They're about $125, $130, pretty easy to replace, and yeah. Now if you have one of these units with a built-in transducer in the bottom, well, this is a newer, I upgraded it, but if your transducer is getting a lot of noise, your power wires, you need to twist them up, or put some more twists in them. Oh, I need to look at that again. As you can see, these power wires are getting hot. But anyway, again, top of the head is the autopilot compass. Down here, this is the actual control board, which basically, turns on the power, ups the power level 1 through 10. Wiring basically. This guy here, this is your co-pilot. This is what your small co-pilot wireless remote controls. These are usually mounted on the side over here, but I took mine apart and I've got mine all hidden on the inside. Here's your plug for your foot control. If you want to use the old co-pilot with a foot control, it allows it. What am I upgrading to? I am going with a full-on iPilot with the Bluetooth. Now this is not the iLink, this is just the Bluetooth. Got this from Northern Marine, and I got the lower kit, the upper, but because I have a V1, you need to upgrade the control box. You need the round plug, but more or less. To do this, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, I believe, and some time. The instructions are in there. I also ordered a seal kit. I'll go ahead and reseal the motor. The next video I post hopefully should be this thing in operation. I've taken this thing apart quite a few times. Again, you can upgrade a V1 to a V2 by either just replacing the board. If you want to do the iPilot, you need to get the iPilot and the board. Now if you want to have a foot control doing this upgrade, you need to get the Terova control board. Those are $220. The standard V2 boards are only about $130 for the 24 volt and about $100 for the 12 volt. Again, everything's plug and play. Questions, comments, let me know. And like I said, next video, hopefully I'll have this thing running.